SMCI stock analysis and price predictions for Wednesday. Is Supermicrocomputer stock a buy? I've been breaking all of it down in this very brief and short 1 minute video. Now, no one else in this space has a bigger track record than me with 43,000 videos, all documented, showing you what's working, what's not for me. And with Supermicrocomputer stock, I mean, it's taken me 5 years, you know, so it's not small. And for me, it's just a bullish market. It's just, how can I make an argument and craft an argument that I can be buying this? Well, I hoped this came down and gave me a shift. And actually, this is exactly what's happening now. It still hasn't given me the shift yet. But actually, this is great. And the only thing, because, you know, this is 2 out of 3 rules met. Third's the confirmation, and it must happen in order for me to buy. And then once you're in a trade, there's the managing the trade game as well, the second game, which is far more rewarding in my eyes. But yeah, you just have to dial in both to make money consistently, you know what I mean? So that's SMCI. It's definitely a bullish market for me. I'll obviously continue to keep you updated, but if there's like no confirmation, I'm not going to be buying. And you can see with SMCI, there's a lot of freaking receipts with about 94 results in the Discord there. So if you want to stay tuned and get free market picks and emails to make more, click the first link in the description. It's free.